Welcome back to a special episode of Sea Glass Archaeology, everybody. Today I'm going to be showing you how to drill a cute little heart inside your favorite piece of sea glass. Now, you don't have to be an expert driller to put shapes inside of sea glass. However, if you've never drilled a piece of sea glass before, I strongly recommend you watch my video on how to do that. It's going to be down below. I also recommend that you have yourself a workstation. It doesn't necessarily have to be a Dremel, but it has to give you the true 90-degree angle, because at one point we're going to take this piece of sea glass and we're going to be working it back and forth using this as a support. Now, I've drilled hundreds upon hundreds of hearts and other shapes into sea glass over my career, but this is the first time I've ever put a video together on how to do it. In thinking about how I should present this to everybody, it really occurred to me that I should take a pencil and draw little marks to help as guidelines, and you can do that as well. Although me, I've always just done it freehand. Over here is where we're going to drill it for the bale. It's always important to do that first, and then how about we put one spot right here, we put one right here, and then we put the third one right over here. When first starting off, I strongly recommend that you use small, thin, and flat pieces of sea glass. However, as you build up your confidence, you're going to see that you can carve almost anything into glass. We're using 1mm diamond drill bits. I'll put the link in the description from where I buy them down below as well. It's my pleasure to support Drillax, the company that's done me so well over the years, even though they don't know that I'm supporting them and giving them that free little boost. When it comes to drilling, there's nothing more important than protecting your well-being and especially your ears. So you won't see me, but I'm going to be wearing headphones with my favorite music while we drill away. First, I'm drilling a hole where I'm going to attach this to a necklace bale. When drilling sea glass, it's always important to counter-punch the hole, which means flip the glass over and meet your hole halfway, and in doing this we avoid any blowouts and chipping. Now it's time to drill the 3 pilot holes that will form the foundation of our heart. Sorry this has taken so long, everyone. With the 3 holes now completed, it's time to join them. We're going to use an up and down jigging motion here, and what that's going to do is that's going to sand away the sea glass. Now remember, you have to join the holes from both sides. It's also important to flip that piece over. We're almost done here, everybody. Now it's time to smooth that outline down to perfection. At this stage, we really get to shape the heart and make it look exactly as we want it to be. It also helps cover up any parts of the holes that were a little bit chippy. We can just widen the heart out. You can see I'm really putting a lot of pressure over here at the top points. You know, over time, your confidence will grow and you'll find that this is just a breeze. In no time, you can see that we have a beautiful heart inside of our sea glass. Now, I also want to say that if you wanted to, you could make it larger or even smaller, depending on where you place your first 3 holes and how comfortable you get with just working the piece from side to side. Now I know it might look intimidating when I take the heart and I hold it right up to the bit and I move it back and forth. I'm telling you, it's a breeze. The only thing to just remember is to keep your piece nice and lubricated. I constantly am dipping it into the water just to keep it nice and moist against the drill bit, and I also want to remove the sediment to see where I am with respect to my heart. I hope that everything worked out perfectly and your beautiful piece of sea glass now has a heart in it and it's ready to be used on a pendant, a bracelet, or anything else that you see fit, because creative expression has no limit and no boundaries. That's the beautiful thing about sea glass. It's something that we find out in the ocean that was discarded by generations past, and then we can repurpose it into something that's absolutely beautiful and cherished for a lifetime. Well, thanks for watching, everybody. I really hope that you enjoyed this video and that it gives you the confidence to try this new project. Please be sure to leave a comment down below. I'm happy to help with any questions you have, even a follow-up video if you'd like. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and check out my other how-to videos, because I'm so happy to share these unique designs that I've come up with over the years as a professional beachcomber with everybody all around the world. Hopefully we're back out on the beach again real soon, everybody. Thanks for watching.